Hi, it's Hard Reset, and today I'll show you how to fix auto brightness not working on Realme 11 Pro Plus. So first, open the settings, go into the display and brightness, and make sure that the auto brightness is enabled. If you have it disabled, then enable it. And if you have it enabled and it's not working, then disable it and enable once again. Clean the ambient light sensor with a microfiber that is right here in the camera lens. Then, if still not working, try to restart your phone, and you can check if the auto brightness is working by, for example, turning the brightness all the way up, turn off any light, and enable the auto brightness. As you can see, it is working. So that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.